Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. 2007 Tundra, slightly lifted. She's real tank. Very low miles, 127,000 miles on the odometer only. And the owner said, hey, to my knowledge, timing belt job never been done before at this mileage. As I know, this should be done, so let's go and take care of it. And I want to show you that he was right. Timing belt might be in pretty good shape, but his water pump or something, you will probably say, hey, it's a water pump, something actually was leaking and nobody could see it. It was his sixth sense that he caught it. Let's go look. If I can lower you down there, it's not much space. I think I can do it. Can I do it? I think I can do it. And show you. You know that feature of that super long life coolant. It makes the crystals. When there is a little seepage, it makes those crystals. And look at those puppies. They are all over. Do you see them over there behind that pulley? And guess what? They are here in the bottom. So we know it's a coolant leak because the ability of the coolant, super long life, it's a Toyota product, to create these crystals. I will continue and I will show you when we will pull it off, the part. We will investigate the area where it's leaking from and so on. The bottom line is nobody could see that. This is all covered with many covers and items and parts. You cannot spot it. It was all inside. Even the bottom here, it was behind the cover, cannot be seen and cannot be predicted. 127,000 miles. Okay, are you ready for another sweep, slow movement? You can actually tell me what do you think. I believe I put those lights correctly so you can see every single detail. What do you think, my friend? Where is it leaking? Why is it leaking? Now, I will show you. It's behind the pulley a little bit. Look at it. Absolute zero play on that pulley. There's not a slightest movement. This is incredible quality. Allegedly, this is all original. I don't know if it's true. But the timing belt really had the marks from Toyota. They were still visible, the writing on it. So this will be Toyota water pump. Look at it. It's absolutely zero clicking, ticking, movement. Incredible. So what do you say? Why there is that seepage of the coolant here? Let's go look last time into this area before I will start cleaning it. So that's where the water pump was. Coolant pump. Here is all that crystals, kind of dust. And let's go look on the water pump or coolant pump itself. And if you don't know where it was leaking from, I will show you. We will know, we will see exactly. You might think it was sealed, it was leaking. You might say, hey, it was, that gasket was leaking here. It's obvious to me. But it's actually something else. Let's go and look. Here is the coolant pump. And it's metal gasket. And we know it was leaking on the bottom. And if we look together, we still see those crystals, correct? But if you look right here in this opening, if you look inside, there is like a opening, like a pipe. And that's exactly what happened here, my friend. So it didn't matter that this water pump, coolant pump, has zero play on the main shaft right here. There's no play. If you look, there is a channel here. If the seal around the shaft fails, there is a passage which ends where? Well, we were just looking there. You see it? Right here. If I flip it, it's right here. And there is that opening. So it was basically due to the failed seal around the shaft on this coolant pump. It started very slowly weeping, and it was accumulating down here, and we saw it below and all that mess going down. So this is the reason, absolutely clearly, not the gasket, but the water pump, coolant pump, whatever we want to call it, itself. This part was going to fail soon due to that coolant seepage and accumulation of those crystals. So as you can clearly see, not all stuff can be seen or caught by the tech when you give them a vehicle for even detail inspection. Unless you will start removing all the upper covers and then support for the fan and so on, and start digging in, only then you will see this accumulation of the crystals. Only then you will see that it's time to perform the water pump replacement. I'm doing the entire thing. I was hired for timing belt and water pump, so everything will be replaced. I have entire kit here. Everything will be done today. Again, I'm filming, so I'm getting behind as usually. So I gotta get moving, but I'm very happy I found the time to film this. Something else interesting about 4.7 liter I-Force 2UZ FE engine. We obviously have to do the regular services to keep them running forever, don't you think? So thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, if you like it, please giving thumb up and be tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.